Now, we can easily store information in computer memory. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, we can, but I have a doubt.
What?
When we display the stored data, it just shows the numbers and words. How will a common person know what those numbers mean? Like, is 10 my age, or the number of chocolates I ate yesterday?
That's true. We get it because we're doing the coding. But how can others know?
Let's go to our teacher.
Hi, teacher.
Hello, kids. What brings you here?
Teacher, we have a doubt.
Of course. What's the problem?
Is there a way to show some information about the value we're displaying on the screen? Like, instead of just 10, can it say, Aadi's age is 10?
Absolutely yes. Let's to the classroom. All right. Aadi, now open your code here. Kids, Aadi and Eve came to me with a question. When we display data, it only shows the values. How can someone understand what the data is about? Does anyone know how to solve this problem? Okay, then look at this. This is Aadi's data. Now I'll make some small changes, and this code will become more user-friendly. See, we added a friendly message inside the quotes. When we run this, whatever is in the quotes shows up exactly like that on the screen, followed by the variable's value. The comma is like a friendly connector between the message and the data.
That's awesome! Can we make the whole code friendly?
Of course! Here's the code.
Let's check the output.
Go ahead, click that button.
Wow, that's so cool.
That's so cool.
I'm going to do this for all my codes.
Great idea, Aadi. If you run into any trouble, we'll sort it out in the next class. Until then, you all create your own data and add interesting info to it.
And that's how Aadi and his friends made their code easy for everyone to understand. By adding simple messages, they made the computer's output as friendly as talking to a friend. What fun thing will they learn next? Stay tuned to find out.